Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 30th, and this is my analysis of the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly time frame, I do think this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and I think this is a big wave 3. Most wave 3s do go to minimum the 161.8 Fibonacci extension, which is right around the $5,900 area. So I'm definitely still very bullish on this. I think it's still in a wave 3, and I still think we have a little bit of upside potential before we actually make a bigger pullback for a wave 4 and probably another push up for a wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this from that point on is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. No break in structure, no break in the series of higher highs, higher lows, definitely still in a uptrend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's definitely been very consolidated for quite some time now. We are right back up at the order block area, so probably a pretty good place for it to do something like that. And we just hit a Fibonacci extension level. So I do believe at some point this is going to break beyond that point. Whether or not it makes a more significant pullback first is the question. But pullbacks are great news for us because at the end of pullbacks is where we can go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it's been very, very sideways, but I feel like there's a very good chance that this high right here is actually a wave 3 top. This impulse down is a wave A. This is like a little 1, 2, 3 pattern for a wave B. So A, B, C, or B, and then impulse down for wave C. I think that could be an ABC of wave 4. This last little section right here could be the wave 5. If it is a 3, 4, 5 state, then potentially it could go down, break structure, and make a much more bigger, more significant pullback before it actually does end up continuing back up. Definitely no guarantees of that happening, and I definitely would continue to look for longs unless it does go down and break structure. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here because if what I just showed you on the higher time frames is true and this really is a wave 5, then this will probably go down and break this structure. So if we put our Fibonacci retracement on here, we watch our Fibonacci levels very, very closely. And if we get a big engulfing move to the downside, especially if there's a break of structure, that probably would tell us that this is like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then it's just going to go down for a wave 3, 4, 5 of wave A most likely. But I would have to see that engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level and a break of structure to believe it because the trend is up on every single higher time frame. So when the trend is up on every single higher time frame, oftentimes it can just keep on going up and just keep on trending. So be careful going short. Just make sure that you wait for confirmation with a break of structure and that engulfing move to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.